Whether we implement a mentoring program or a coaching program or both, there are several strategies that we can use to ensure these programs provide a positive return. First, it is generally acceptable for participation to be voluntary. Mandatory participation can actually stunt the growth of interpersonal relationships. It feels too forced for many people. Second, make sure that pairs are carefully matched. Use assessments to collect enough data about all applicants to the mentoring program. Third, choose mentors and coaches who have experience with these processes and who have shown to be successful in the past. Make sure everyone, the mentors, the proteges, even the administrators of the mentoring program, make sure that everyone understands their role in the process and understands everyone else's expectations of them. And finally, determine desired outcomes like retention and job performance, and evaluate each mentoring cohort to make sure that the program is doing what it was intended to do: develop employees.